Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. Exterior design description. Overall aesthetic. The modern black stilt house exudes a sleek, minimalist aesthetic that seamlessly blends into the surrounding mountain forest. Its dark exterior contrasts beautifully with the natural greenery, creating a striking and contemporary visual impact. Exterior finishes. The house is primarily clad in a matte black finish, lending it a sophisticated and understated appearance. Large expanses of glass are strategically placed to maximize natural light and provide panoramic views of the forest. Wooden elements, such as the doors and floors, introduce warmth and texture, balancing the cool tones of the black exterior. Architectural details. The stilt foundation elevates the house above the ground, creating a sense of openness and connection to the natural environment. The clean lines and geometric shapes of the architecture reinforce the modern aesthetic. Overhanging eaves and strategically placed windows provide shade and protection from the elements while enhancing the overall visual interest. Landscaping. The landscaping surrounding the house complements the minimalist design. Low-maintenance native plants and shrubs are strategically placed to frame the structure and soften its hard edges. A wooden deck or patio area in front of the house provides a comfortable outdoor space for relaxation and enjoyment of the surrounding natural beauty. Overall impression. The modern black stilt house is a stunning example of contemporary architecture that seamlessly integrates into its natural setting. The combination of dark exterior, glass elements, and wooden accents creates a visually striking and inviting home that offers a harmonious balance between modern design and natural beauty. Interior design description. Overall aesthetic. The interior of the modern black stilt house reflects a minimalist and serene ambience, characterized by clean lines, natural materials, and a focus on natural light. The design aims to create a harmonious connection between the indoor and outdoor spaces, allowing the beauty of the surrounding mountain forest to be a prominent feature. Color palette. The color palette is predominantly neutral, with shades of white, gray, and black dominating the interior. Accents of natural wood and greenery are used to add warmth and vitality. The overall color scheme creates a calming and sophisticated atmosphere. Materials. Natural materials are used extensively throughout the interior to enhance the minimalist aesthetic. Wood is a prominent feature, used for flooring, doors, and select furniture pieces. Glass is used for windows and partitions, allowing for abundant natural light and uninterrupted views of the forest. Concrete and stone may also be incorporated for a more industrial feel. Furniture. The furniture is sleek and functional, with clean lines and simple forms. Pieces are often chosen for their versatility and ability to blend seamlessly with the overall design. Natural materials such as wood and leather are preferred to maintain a cohesive aesthetic. Decor. Decorative elements are kept minimal to avoid clutter and maintain a sense of tranquility. Artwork, plants, and natural objects can be used to add personality and interest to the space. The focus is on quality over quantity, with each piece carefully selected to complement the overall design. Key rooms. Living room. A spacious and open-plan living room is typically the heart of the home. Large windows offer panoramic views of the forest, while a comfortable seating arrangement invites relaxation and contemplation. Kitchen. The kitchen is often designed to be a functional and stylish space. Clean lines, natural materials, and integrated appliances are common features. Bedrooms. Bedrooms are designed for comfort and relaxation. Minimalist furnishings, soft textiles, and ample natural light create a peaceful atmosphere. Bathrooms. Bathrooms are typically modern and spa-like. Natural materials, such as stone and wood, are used to create a luxurious and inviting space. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.